Not ready to face it all yet?
Let's face it could have been wonderful.
If you're afraid of something, you've got to stand and face it.
He was not a happy person, let's face it.
Let's face it, Mr. Frodo. We're lost.
Let's face it, Columbo, things were getting a little stale.
Let's face it, Galahad. Your little experiment failed.
I mean, let's face it, not everyone wants to adopt someone like me.
Let's face it, your master is a loser.
Face it, our little plan ain't exactly operational anymore.
Oh, come on! Face it, he picked me by accident.
Tell you the truth, I'm not sure I can face it.
You're not well, you have to face it.
Okay.
We will face it together. Standing as one.
Face it, Sid. We had a great run, but now it's time to move on.
Look, I know I'm not your friend. I'm nobody's friend, let's face it.
If you don't face it, you can't change. And I'll never be able to trust you.
I never should have brought you.
Face it, you need me, brother.
I don't need anyone. And please don't call me brother.
Oh yes, jazz. Oh, jazz, let's face it, it's just insolent noise.
I know you're looking for the cupcakes and rainbows here, but let's face it, Creek's been eaten.
They put him in a taco.
It was horrible!
We're thieves, Dad. And what we're stealing is, let's face it, garbage.
It isn't stealing if no one wants it.
If no one wants it, why are we stealing it?
Let's face it, I don't think our relationship is working.
I know. A relationship, I think, is like a shark. It has to constantly move forward or it dies.